Both
12
of you are
minutes.
married to different spouses?
Different spouses. We both have children, we both have grandchildren.
Grandchildren?
Yes,
Seriously?
yes.
How
My
old
lords,
are you, sir?
my lords, I am a 64-year-old man. On the day of incidents, my lords, I have given 5 call records, and my lords, on that day since morning, we were planning that how we will go, where we will go, how we will hoodwink the driver sent by the husband. And my lords, thereafter, my lords, even we have spoken that how was the performance when we met. Then, my lords, after that, on that day, my lords, 5 times she has told me that I love you, and I have reverted back. My lords, now why the FIR is registered? My lords, the date of incidence is 19th. On the 24th, 5 days after, the husband comes to know about it. On 12, she asks me, page number 12, she asked me to delete all the WhatsApp chats and call logs. See, she says, बोल रही हूँ मैं मैसेज वगैरह फोन का जितना सब डिलीट कर दे पहले कर दिया है नहीं. She is confirming. Now, my lords, 13 is very important.
सब कर दिया.
My lords, this is a quashing petition. My lords, I am a 64-year-old man.
Yesterday's matters.
Yes, my lords, I
Right.
part argued on this. My lords, the date of incidents, my lords, it's 19th August 2025. Prior to that, 1 year, I have given records, my lords, 120 calls between me and her. My lords, that's part of charge sheet. Now, my lords, on the day of incidents, my lords, I have given 5 call records, and my lords, on that day since morning, we were planning that how we will go, where we will go, how we will hoodwink the driver sent by the husband. And my lords, thereafter, my lords, even we have spoken that how was the performance when we met. My lord, yes, my lords, that's part of record. It is part of the charge sheet. Then, my lords, after that, on that day, my lords, 5 times she has told me that I love you, and I have reverted back. My lords, now why the FIR is registered? My lords, the date of incidence is 19th. On the 24th, 5 days after, the husband comes to know about it. On 24th, my lords, he messages me and tells me that I have come to know about it. How you will feel that your wife will come into an extramarital relationship with other person. Now you tell me that where you all have met. And my lords, in that year only, not only in Haridwar, previously in Calcutta, both of them met. My lords, the travel tickets are part of record. He admits that how...
that Jai Mata.
Yes, my lords, yes. So, my lords, there is so much material on record. My lords, I am producing one memo. My lords, may kindly give me 5 minutes. I'll just prove my case. My lords, this is a memo. My lords, first, my lords, may kindly see 297 page number of the charge sheet. It is part of record, my lords. Whatever I'm submitting is part of record of the petition, my lords. The page number 297 of the petition talks about this call detail record. Now, my lords, may kindly come, my lords, on page number 2 of this memo. My lords, now she says that why you have left me so early. And my lords, I say, my lords, in the middle, because my lords, it is in Hindi. My lords, I'm reading it in English, my lords, for your understanding. And I say that I was not in hurry, but I have taken you to many places. Now, my lords, going further, she wanted to talk more on this. Now, my lords, on page number 3, next, she says, oh, I forgot to give you fruits. I was worried about you.
All right.
Yes.
The fruit salad, forget it. Yes.
My lords,
No, what's the crux of the issue? No?
Now,
It's a rape.
No, yes.
Allegation is rape. What's fruit salad doing here?
No, my lords, page number 13. Kindly see. Page number 13. My lords, what? On 12, she asks me, page number 12, she asked me to delete all the WhatsApp chats and call logs so that we both should be aware that our spouses doesn't see this. Or at page number 12.
Both of you are married to different spouses?
Different spouses. We both have children. We both have grandchildren.
Grandchildren?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
How old are you, sir?
Page number 12, my lords, if you will see, she says, बोल रही हूँ मैं मैसेज वगैरह फोन का जितना सब डिलीट कर दे पहले कर दिया है नहीं. She is confirming. Now, my lords, 13 is very important.
सब कर दिया.
My lords, 13, there is a planning that her husband...
Family planning?
No, my lords.
Then?
The planning to meet on the day of incidents. I have been charged on the FIR saying that I called her at the place of incidents. I took her to the said hotel.
ಅಲ್ಲ 64 ವರ್ಷ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂನು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಯಾವ ರೇಪ್?
Your Lordship is 183.
What 180
Your Lordship
statement?
is same.
So she has in detail described to the court.
Huh?
In detail, she described to the court. So all this, my
What
lord,
happens to those chats and everything?
everything is on
ಈ
record.
ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ರೇಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
Everything is on record.
Hmm.
Yes, everything is on record. Charge sheet, my lord, contains everything. It is not that my learned friend is producing anything new. It is all part of charge sheet, and your lordship may see that 183 statement. Manner in which she discloses, she describes the manner in which she has been hoodwinked, and then taken all these things in the guise of performing some puja.
Performance puja?
My lord, yes, that is how it has been.
Milords, I'll give you the context why the
The entire
183
incident
statement.
has been done.
You work in
Lord, when
a, you work in a temple?
No, Milords, I work in a private company. We both were in extramarital relationship since 2019. In 2025, we both traveled to Calcutta. There is a hotel.
Why 6 years gap?
Milords, it's been continuing. She stays here. I stay in Delhi and Haridwar. I work there. Milords, why now, Milords, why he's saying 183 statement? Milords, what has happened in this case, when I filed anticipatory bail, there I produced those documents. These documents included her all conversation with me. Now, Milords, post the anticipatory bail has been granted. Now she goes to the judicial magistrate and gives her 183 statement completely, Milords, in infirmity of the previous complaint.
What's the animosity between both of you
No,
now?
Milords, that page 284, Milords. The husband is the problem. She is not giving a
Oh.
complaint. Yes, Milords, kindly see 284.
Her husband should not have interfered.
Milords, I admit, Milords, it may be immoral. But Milords, can 64-year-old man be put to this? Milords, I have been hounded by the police in Delhi. Milords, thereafter I came to this to the learned session court and took anticipatory bail. Milords, 284, kindly see, Milords, it will be very crystal clear.
That's what the husband's statement.
Milords, husband, what does he say?
What does he
Milords,
say?
it's not one, Milords, it's not one statement. Kindly see, Milords, for a moment, Milords, I will take 1 minute more. Milords, 284 of my petition, Milords, the husband says,
Your lordship,
Milords, I'll only read, Milords, just give me a moment.
Hey, wait, don't.
Milords,
The
286.
SPP saying, wait,
I'm sorry, Milord.
hold the horses, wait, yes.
I'm sorry. All I am asking, let the notice go to if.
Notice
assuming
will
that-
go.
let Notice go, my lord, but I think, my lord,
No, I will, without hearing the complainant, will not do anything.
very well.
But,
No, that 183 statement I have seen, my lord. It's.
no, if what he says is correct, after securing bail, if she's gone and given the 183 statement, which is contrary to the record itself,
In fact,
then we'll have to hear
so
it.
what happened, my lord? In fact, the reason how the parents, family members comes to know about the incident is that when she came back, she was depressed and treated. That's when she disclosed all these things.
That
have
is all
happened.
right, but depression definitely they will go into because of all this. It is not that they are 23, 24 years.
Correct, my lord.
He is 64, she is 63.
Correct, my lord.
Then
They have,
children, grandchildren, everybody.
correct, my lord. That's, I'm sure, my lord,
Then-
in a contemporary 60 plus year old person's
Okay, correct.
understanding
I'm
of
not saying
value of our.
age ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು, I'm not saying about anything about age here. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು for him to indulge in rape or whatever and the relationship also, if you see the complaint itself, the relationship is from 2019.
If that is the fact, my lord, if the complainant wanted to disguise this as just a rape, they would not have given any of this information. They have given all this
No,
information.
if you see page 284 as it says,
Yes, ma'am.
husband has coaxed her to give all this because she was to save her family. Yes, do it. Can't tell.
No, but ultimately, my lord, now we have a statement of 183, which speaks for volume.
We'll see. We'll
And-
hear
and the-
before to analyze 183. We'll hear the complainant also.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see.
Let it be, your lordship, have it, let the notice be issued, my lord.
Milords, there is an
Next
there is
week
a
itself, your
problem
lordship
that
can take
ಅಲ್ಲ,
it. and-
ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
They will come, my lord, but
Milords, I'm only requesting that
I'll
now
see
I
the-
am for the charge framing. Milords, I've waited till the charge sheet because everything has.
so you can also seek for file a discharge application with all this material. It is not
ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
that,
64 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಸಿ.
no, but,
24 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
no, but there are some serious impact. Rather, I would not have
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇರ್ಲಿ.
pressed it, my lord.
Will not grant anything. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The petitioner, a youth of 64 years, stands before the court calling in question the proceedings before the concerned court registered for offence punishable under section 64(2)(m) of repeated rape of the complainant who is 63 years old. The petitioner and the complainant have had an extramarital affair for the last 6 years is the submission. As the petitioners have children and grandchildren both. They are known to each other for ages. Therefore, the relationship had developed after a hiatus. The relationship then blossoms into becoming an extramarital affair between the two. The husband gets to know of the affair. Then the complainant is said to have done a volte-face is the submission of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Therefore, the offences have sprung of rape and other allegations. The learned SPP would emphasize on the fact of the statement recorded under 183(2) of the BNSS to be looked into for the version of the complainant. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that to save the family, the complainant has, after the petitioner secured bail, has rendered the statement under 183. Therefore, hearing the complainant before any blanket order could be passed is imperative. The learned counsel for the petitioner now submits that the matter is posted for framing of charges before
On 13th of August.
on 13th of August before the concerned court. Therefore, the concerned court shall defer order could be passed is imperative. The learned counsel for the petitioner now submits that the matter is posted for framing of charges before
On 13th of August.
on 13th of August before the concerned court. Therefore, the concerned court shall defer its act of framing of charges till the order would be passed at the hands of this court permitting such framing of charges. List one HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by the 24th of August, list on 24th.